Hi everyone, Louis here because he's got a great idea to solve 3 divided by a half.
Yeah.
So Louis, right away you think of it a little bit differently, right?
Yeah.
So what are you thinking of?
I'm thinking of using paper and
Okay.
using a half and going into 3.
Oh, so how many times, so you think of this as how many times does a half
Go into
go into 3?
Yeah.
And you like using paper to think about it, right?
Yeah.
So I've got 3 orange pieces of paper here, okay? And can I just get you to hold on to those for a second?
Sure.
And I've got 1 green piece of paper. So I'm gonna make this into a half, okay? So that we can figure out how many times a half goes into that, to those sheets, okay? So I'm just gonna try to cut it in a half the best I can. Okay, then we're just gonna be using one of them. So there we go. So we're gonna figure out, let's see if we can hold these. Can you just hold some of these out for them?
Sure.
Maybe we can even just put one up top here. And we're gonna figure out how many times, hold on, we'll just go here. We're gonna figure out how many times this goes into all of these, right?
Yeah.
So if we just look at the first one, I'll just get you to move that over. How many times does a half go into this piece of paper?
Twice.
So 1, 2. And then how many times does it fit into this one?
Twice.
So 3, right? If we imagine it fitting in, 4.
Yeah.
And then this last one, let's move the last one over so that people can see that. So then 5 and 6. So 6 of these fit into there. So
Yeah.
Louis, what is 3 divided by a half?
It is 6.
Perfecto. That was awesome, Louis.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. Today we're doing 3 divided by a half. And Anna's going to show us how to use multiplication to do this. So it's like, how many halves will equal 3?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm going to record your thinking on a number line, okay? So we'll start off with 1 half, right? So we'll go 1 half, okay? And then,
2 halves or a full.
yeah, so 2 halves. Or you said is just 1.
Mhm.
But that's not enough because we need 3, right? So if we have 3 halves, so 3 times a half, then what do we have, Anna?
Then we have a half, 3 halves or a half and, 1 point and a half.
One and a half, yeah. But that's not enough, right? So we'll just keep on going. Next time we get 4 halves.
Or 2.
Yeah, and that's not enough because we're looking for 3. The next one, we get 5 halves.
Or 2 and a half.
And that's not enough because we're looking for 3. But the next time, right? And how many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 halves,
Later.
or 6 times a half, right? Is equal to 6 halves, or
3.
yeah.
Which is the number we were looking for.
So it's actually 6 halves. It's equal to 3.
So that means the answer is 6.
Awesome, Anna. Great job.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.